In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform e-commerce email marketing using HubSpot. If you've been looking to streamline your communication with customers and drive more conversions through email, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. To get started, make sure you have HubSpot open on your device. It's important to first log into your account, as this will allow you to access all the features and tools necessary for this process. Logging in ensures that all your work is saved under your profile, and you can return to it any time. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This is a crucial step because the trial guide is packed with resources that will kickstart your form-building process within HubSpot. Whether you're a beginner or looking to optimize your current strategies, familiarizing yourself with these resources can make a big difference in how effectively you use the platform. Now, let's move on to the home page. From here, we're heading to the marketing section. Click on Marketing to reveal more options, and from the drop-down menu, choose Email. This section is your gateway to creating and managing all your email marketing campaigns. Next, you'll see an option to Create Email. Click on this to begin crafting a new email campaign. When you open this option, HubSpot presents you with 3 sending method options: regular, automated, and blog. For this tutorial, we will focus on the regular option. The regular email option is perfect for sending one-off communications or announcements to your subscribers, providing a straightforward way to reach your audience. After selecting regular, you'll need to choose a template. Templates can save you a lot of time, as they provide pre-built designs that you can easily customize to fit your brand and message. Click on Choose Template to browse the selection available. Don't hesitate to explore and find the one that aligns best with your campaign goals. Once you've selected your template, it's time to customize. This is where you can really inject your brand's personality into your emails. Feel free to change the colors, fonts, images, and text to match your unique style and message. After fine-tuning your email to perfection, you're almost ready to unleash it to your audience. Before you do that, make sure to double-check everything. HubSpot offers a Review and Send option, which is your safety net to ensure everything looks exactly as you want it before hitting send. Click on Review and Send when you're confident everything is just right. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up e-commerce email marketing in HubSpot. With these steps, you're well on your way to engaging your audience and boosting your business's online presence. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.